Organizations exist to create and deliver value, whether through the products they manufacture or the services they provide. These offerings are the foundation of how they meet the needs of consumers and other businesses. These can be tangible goods like cars, flashlights, or bikes, or intangible offerings such as education, health information, or financial services. Regardless of the type, these outputs are the result of a sequence of tasks or activities that transform inputs into the desired outcome. This sequence is what we call a business process. When applying systems thinking to business processes, we can build on concepts we've learned thus far, but with refined terminology for clarity. In a business process, every activity begins with a trigger, an event that initiates a series of tasks or actions leading to specific outcomes. For example, a trigger might be a customer placing an order or the recognition of low inventory levels. The term process refers to the overall sequence of activities, while tasks represent the individual steps and data required to complete that process. Instead of outputs, we use outcomes to emphasize the specific products, results, or consequences of these steps. Business processes often span multiple functional areas or departments within an organization, requiring collaboration to achieve the desired outcome. While every process is unique, the roles and departments involved will vary depending on the specific goal. For example, when a customer places an order, it triggers the sales process. The first task, validating the customer order, is handled by one functional area. Next, another functional area checks the inventory on hand. Once confirmed, the third functional area prepares the order for shipment. Finally, the fourth functional area manages invoicing and payment processing. The outcomes of this process are the product being delivered to the customer and the organization receiving payment. While this is a simplified example, it illustrates how business processes rely on interdependent steps carried out by different parts of the organization. Since different functional areas or departments handle various steps in a process, effective communication and collaboration are critical for seamless execution. Without proper interaction, the process can break down, leading to delays, errors, and dissatisfied customers. For example, if the customer order isn't properly communicated to the warehouse, the shipment may be delayed. Similarly, if order and shipment details don't reach the accounting department accurately, billing and payment processes could be disrupted. Successfully completing a process depends on coordinated efforts across all functional areas involved.